Look at the Christmas tree.
Did Santa come home? Yeah. Give him presents, huh?
We have to figure out who gets what. There's so many things.
I wonder what stuff is in this present.
Yeah.
Is that the present you're most interested in opening?
Yeah.
Oh, your stocking is on the floor.
I think he put some stuff in your stocking so he couldn't keep it on the mantle.
2 stockings fell down.
They were so laden with gifts. Not mommy's and daddy's, though. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is this
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That is mine, yes.
Merry Christmas, Luke.
This guy.
That is daddy's, yes.
And what is this stuff?
That's Luke's.
And this is my stocking.
Exactly.